Hello folks, you're on the Desert Adventures YouTube channel, sponsored by Apogee Performance Racing, the makers of the best damn chain lube on the market. Go check them out at apogeeperformanceracing.com. Go more miles between lubes with Apogee Performance biodegradable chain lube, available in pine or orange scent. And today, you're joining me for a ride out on a road I've never ridden before. So, we're not going to be going as fast as possible, but it's still going to be a good flowy road to ride on. This is actually part of a 180-mile loop ride that I took a bit ago, and I'll be showing more of in future videos. Maybe I'll show the entire thing. But in the meantime, here's some footage of a nice, fun, flowy section. It was super fun on this bike. The bike I'm riding is a 1996 Honda XR600R. As far as modifications done to it, it seems to be a FMF exhaust, a 4.7 gallon desert tank, some moose handguards and skid plate, and that's about it as far as I know. Pretty standard setup for a desert bike of its age, and it still does great today, even compared to new modern bikes in my opinion, especially for the type of riding this is. Anyways, not much to say in this video. We'll talk more about the ride, everything else in a future video, so for now, enjoy the footage and see you next time on the Desert Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you feel inclined to.